Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of contrast therapy, an innovative technique that's revolutionizing muscle recovery and joint pain relief. Let's discover how alternating between hot and cold treatments can boost your health and performance. Contrast therapy involves switching between heat and cold, typically in sessions lasting 15 to 20 minutes. But why is this so effective? Let's explore the benefits of this practice. Research shows that contrast therapy can accelerate muscle recovery, enhance athletic performance, and alleviate joint pain. Here's how it works. 1. Muscle recovery. Heat increases blood circulation, while cold reduces inflammation. This cycle helps remove metabolic waste and deliver essential nutrients for muscle repair. 2. Athletic performance. High-performance athletes use contrast therapy to improve endurance and reduce fatigue. Alternating between hot and cold helps flush out lactic acid, allowing athletes to train longer and harder. 3. Joint pain relief. For those with arthritis or other joint pain, contrast therapy can provide significant relief. Heat relaxes stiff joints, and cold reduces swelling and pain. The best part is you can do contrast therapy at home. Here's how. 1. Start with heat. Spend 3 to 4 minutes in a hot bath or sauna to relax muscles and increase circulation. 2. Switch to cold. Then spend 1 to 2 minutes in a cold shower or plunge pool to reduce inflammation. 3. Repeat. Perform 3 to 4 cycles, always ending with cold to maximize anti-inflammatory effects. It's not just for athletes. Anyone can benefit from contrast therapy, whether for post-workout recovery, pain relief, or overall wellness. Let's hear what some people have to say about their experiences. Many people report significant improvements in muscle recovery, pain reduction, and increased energy. It's a natural and effective approach combining the best of hot and cold treatments. If you're looking for an effective way to enhance your muscle and joint health, contrast therapy might be the answer. Give it a try and see the benefits for yourself. Did you enjoy this video? Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. See you next time.